Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to put an object under your own text in the journal app. So open the app and go to one of your documents. Here I have written this word, crow, and I have a sticker. If I move this sticker you can see that it's above my text. But if we click on the object and click on move right here, then we can choose the move backward option, and now I can put it under my text, and it's even more useful to change the opacity level by clicking here and then using this tool right here to minimize opacity, and now it looks quite good, I think. I hope it will be useful for you as well, and have a nice day.